Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the workbook and saving a backup copy. Do this now to avoid accidental data loss. Next, go to the Page Layout tab and locate the Themes group on the ribbon. This is where Excel stores color, font, and effect sets. Once there, click the Themes drop-down to confirm which theme is applied and to preview built-in presets. This first step is critical because identifying the active theme tells you which elements, colors, fonts, or effects need removal or resetting. Now you'll remove the theme elements one by one so formatting returns to defaults. From the Themes drop-down, pick Colors, then select the default palette. This resets workbook colors. Next, choose Fonts and pick the default font set. Make sure to apply it workbook-wide. Then open Effects and select the default option. Once done, review charts and tables. If a chart still shows themed styling, use its formatting pane and apply Reset to Match Style, or manually set the chart's palette to the finish by saving the workbook under a new name to preserve your cleaned version. Then scan sheets for residual issues. Select affected ranges and use clear formats, or reapply the normal cell style to remove lingering theme attributes. Make sure to inspect any custom templates or add-ins. These can reapply themes when the file opens. If themes persist, open the file on a different machine or disable add-ins to isolate the cause. This troubleshooting step often reveals hidden template links or automated style scripts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.